If your laptop is stuck at 1366 by 768 resolution and you are trying to switch to 1920 by 1080 pixels in Windows 11, this video will show you what actually works. Now let me be clear. You cannot physically turn a 1366 by 768 screen into a true 1080p display, but you can make it feel like 1080 pixels. You can game in 1080 pixels, and you can even export videos in 1080 pixels. I'm going to show you the best working methods step by step. Let's start with the simplest and most effective method. Right-click on your desktop, click on Display Settings. Under Scale and Layout, look at the Scale option. If your scaling is set to 125% or 150%, that is why everything looks bigger and you have less space. Click the drop down and set it to 100%. Immediately, you will notice icons are smaller, text is smaller, and you can fit more content on screen. This does not increase your physical resolution, but it gives you more workspace, similar to how 1080 pixels feels. For many users, this alone solves the problem. Now let's talk about gaming. Even if your screen is 1366 by 768 resolution, many games allow you to render at 1920 by 1080 internally. To do this, within your game, go to Settings. In the Settings section, select Video or Graphics Settings. Within that, look for Resolution. If you see 1920 by 1080 available, simply select it. What happens here is your GPU renders the game in 1080 pixels, then scales it down to fit your 768 pixel screen. This can improve image sharpness in some cases, but keep in mind your performance may drop. So if the game becomes laggy, you will need to reduce the graphics settings. Now, if you are a content creator, this is the most important method. Even if your screen is 1366 by 768 resolution, you can still export your videos in full 1920 by 1080 pixels. Simply download and install OBS Studios, which is a screen recorder. The direct link is in the description below. When you're done installing it, open OBS Studios and click File at the top left corner. From there, select Settings. Within its settings, click on Video. You will see two options, the base canvas resolution and the output resolution. Set your base canvas to 1366 by 768 resolution, which matches your screen. Then set your output resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels. Under Downscale filter, choose Lanzos for better quality. When done, click Apply. Now when you record and upload to YouTube, your video will be processed in 1080 pixels. This gives you better compression quality and unlocks the 1080 pixels option for viewers. This is how many creators with lower resolution screens still upload in full HD. If this video helped you, subscribe for more real Windows 11 fixes.